In this tutorial we will go through the process of adding videos to the player. From the menu on the left hand of the screen we will select Video Player and then choose Videos. Click on the Add a Video button on the upper left hand of the screen. As we can see, the field that comes first is the title field. Let's specify a title for our video, so it will be Video 1. Okay, we have a title. Now we need to specify the type of the video we are going to upload. If we choose HTTP, we can provide the video's URL as well as the URL for its HD version. If you click on the Select button, a window will pop up where you can add media files from your computer by clicking Select Files and browsing to the video on the computer, or directly dragging the video on the Drop Files Here area. If we click on the next tab named From URL, we'll then need to choose Audio, Video or Other File and provide the URL to our video as well as the title. Finally, the third Media Library tab allows to make a choice from the files in the library. You can also filter the list by the dates. That's it, the same process applies to the URL HD field, so we'll just skip it. Next comes the YouTube tab. What we'll need to do is to add the YouTube link to our video in the URL field. So for this example, we'll add some link from YouTube. The third and last type is RTMP. This is for importing RTMP streams from Flash media servers. As you can see here, we have three fields that need to be filled out. The first one, named FMS URL, is intended for the Flash media server URL of the video. The next two sections require the regular URL and the HD version URL. The next field is the thumb field. So we'll click on the Select button and the window will pop up. Under the From Computer tab, we can add image files from the computer by clicking Select Files and browsing to the image, or directly dragging the image on the Drop Files Here area. So let's select an image from the computer. After the image is uploaded, the image options appear on the bottom. So the title field has the original name of the image as a title, but we can also change it. You can also fill out the alternate text field as well as provide an image caption. Further on, we have the description field. We are going to leave these fields blank. The next one is the link URL choice, where we choose an option for the link URL. We can remove the link, put it as a file URL or as an attachment post URL. The next choice is the alignment for the position of the image, which is not really relevant for the thumbnail image. And finally, we'll need to choose the size of the image. Here we have the thumbnail option and we are going to choose it. Now we'll click on Insert into Post and we'll have our image attached to our video as a thumbnail. However, there are some other ways for adding a thumbnail to our video. If we again click on Select in the Thumb field and choose the From URL tab on the top, we'll see a field where we can provide the URL to the image and several other fields which are already familiar to us. After selecting the preferred image, we can remove it by simply clicking on Remove Image. Finally, the third Media Library tab allows to make a choice from the files in the library. We can also filter the list by the dates. That's it, we are done with the thumb field. Further on, we are going to fill out all the tags that we had created earlier. So in our case, there is only the genre tag. So let's specify the genre as, say, jazz. And finally, we choose to publish the video. You can also choose not to publish the video yet. In any case, it will be stored in the video section of the Spider Video Player component, and you'll be able to access it from there.